Lions are famous for their impressive hunting skills. They are social animals, often hunting in groups. This cooperative hunting strategy allows them to take down prey many times larger than themselves. Lions are carnivores. Their main prey are ungulates such as wildebeest, zebra, etc. They are known for their ability to hide and their patience when hunting. They often take advantage of tall grass or natural terrain to approach their prey before launching an attack. When they get close enough, they will use terrifying speed to rush towards the prey, combining with other animals in the herd to capture and prevent the prey from escaping. Their sharp claws and strong jaws play an important role in killing prey. The lion is the king of all beasts. They have extremely remarkable strength and speed. And there are many interesting things about lions. 1. Lions are animals that belong to the cat family. In a day, lions usually spend 2 to 3 hours hunting, 1 hour to eat food, and the remaining time they spend sleeping. 2. Female lions are smaller in size than male lions. But in the herd, the female lion takes on the main hunting task for the herd. Male lions also have an equally important task, protecting their home from other hunters. Three, the lioness roar echoes far away. You can hear their roar from 8 kilometers away. 4. Male lions have a mane of hair on their neck, while female lions do not. This is the clearest identification point to distinguish male and female lions in the herd. Lions can live without drinking water for 4 days. However, an adult lion needs to eat 10 to 15 kilograms of meat every day. 6. Lions' vision is 6 times more sensitive to light than humans. That helps them greatly in hunting at night. Besides, they can reach speeds of up to 80 km/h in a very short time and jump up to more than 10 meters high.